Welcome to the training for Microsoft Streams. This is a basic demo on how to transcribe meetings. Thank you for joining us today. I want to preface this by saying that everything that I teach you today could change tomorrow. So depending on when you're watching this video, these options might have already changed. So today, June 2nd, 2020, this is when we're recording this, and these are the settings and how to do these things as of today. So what I want to show you today is how to make a recording, take a recorded meeting, and transcribe it so that it has searchable text. This is super helpful when it comes to sending like an hour-long meeting to someone and they only have a certain section of the meeting that you want them to pay attention to. This is a great feature for that. So I've created a Teams meeting we're going to join. And obviously we want to make sure that we're recording our voice, and we're going to jump into that meeting now. Now there's two features that we're going to enable. One, and they're both under this More Actions. One is we're going to turn on live captions. Okay, this is actually going to start dictating what you're saying. This is a previous recording, so I had to kind of do some testing on this before I started, doing this voiceover. But you're going to see your dialogue closed captioned live during the meeting. Then you're going to hit Start Recording. Once you start the recording and you've gone through the meeting and you've got the closed captions, so you want to make sure that you hit, Stop Recording and then End the Meeting. Then once you've completed that, your video will automatically be loaded into Microsoft Stream. So you'll get an email notification typically when your video is ready in Microsoft Stream. So we log back into portal.office.com and we're going to click Stream. First place we're going to go is we're going to go to My Content and click Videos. And these are obviously some other footage that I was working with earlier today. But our actual video that we're going to work with is this team transcribe test. So I'm going to click on that. Now, as you can see, right here, the transcript is already available. And what you can do is if you want to, make some changes to it, what you can do is click this edit button. And if maybe there was something that didn't translate properly, like video, and how you transcriber video is making sure that you can change that to transcribe a video. And we can hit save on that. And that will just, obviously update exactly what's going on, here in this transcript. So you want to go in and you can scroll through. Obviously, if it's a long video, you're not going to, necessarily fix every single line, but specifically there's the part in here where I talk about going to the admin portal. So let's type in admin, and now it says to click admin, click here, and then we're going to go to Teams. So under admin, so it's already showed me where I've mentioned that word twice. So if, for instance, you wanted to send this to a friend and you wanted them just to only go in and know how to turn on the setting, you would search for that clip and the transcribed portion of that clip would come up. So now you've got time code associated with the transcript. So it's very, very easy to search and understand what's going on in a video. Now, let's say that you want to export this. Down here, there's three buttons, More Action. You click there. And then you click Update Video Details. So we click that. Now, we can obviously delegate permissions. We can change the name of the video. The one I want to bring to your attention is over here where it says Captions. You can click Download File, and it will download what's called a VTT file. And what that will do is you can upload it with any version of this video. So if you just want to send this transcript of it to somebody, you can download this file. And then copy and paste it into a Word document. And then once it's done, you just click this share button and you can copy this link and email it to anybody within your organization. So now I want to show you a few more features within Streams. So if we go to videos, obviously we have our options here. You can click here to trim the video. I want to just show you this really, really quick. So let's just say that you get a video and you the video started out a little bumpy, and you know, there was some issues. Not everybody could hear you. What you could do is you can actually take this time code right here and just drag it to where you want the clip to start. So if you messed up right at the first part of it, you can just drag that and trim the clip right to where you want it to begin. And then the same on the end. That's as of right now. Again, don't hold me to this because Microsoft, changes things every day. But as of right now, this is all the editing that you can actually do within Microsoft Streams. This is really designed with the recording and the transcribing. It's designed where if anybody forgets what happened in a meeting, they can just go to Microsoft Stream, click on the video, and watch the video of what happened in that meeting. Or if they don't have time to sit through an hour-long meeting, they can search a specific bit of time code, and they can just search whatever has been transcribed for that meeting, and then they can pull up actual footage of what someone said in a meeting. So it helps keep the organization on point. It helps keep everybody up to date and organized, and it keeps people accountable. Hey, you said this in this meeting, and it looks like you're not doing that. So how do we fix that? So these are all great, great features that you should take advantage of. Thank you for watching this video. Again, click the like button, click subscribe for more content, and also click that bell so that every time we upload videos, you get notified. Thank you again. If you have any questions, please email them at marketing@simplicit365.com. That's marketing@simplicit365.com. And if you're an existing client and you want to get these features enabled, open a ticket with our help desk. Support@simplicit365.com. We'll open up a ticket and we can assist you with this. Have a great rest of your day.